Hey, Good Maid Squad.
Hi!
Okay. So we have a visitor again. So she's going to be playing with her toys while we get started on this unit initial review unboxing going on. If you're interested in the unit I'm currently wearing, I will be sure to remember to include the link so you can see the video. So for this unboxing we have here. So I went to the beauty supply store by my mom's house because I don't know where you guys are at, where I'm from. There are like so many beauty supply stores, but they sell like, each one sells like sells different units, or they might carry one particular brand over another brand. So I would suggest to you, if you do have multiple beauty supply stores in your area, I would visit, one or two of them so you can see the different units before you order them online. Or sometimes you might see something in the store that you like. I wrote in all the names I like, and then I went to go do, went on YouTube to see if I could find like a tutorial on the ones I like. So I found her inside the beauty supply store. I found her in the beauty supply store. And so I went online to see if there were any reviews. Only saw 2 reviews, but based on those reviews, I decided to go ahead and get her. We have model, however you want to pronounce it. And this is Fable. She is a hand-tied lace frontal wig. So she is going to have a 13x4 parting. So that means with a lace frontal closure, and you can part her any way you want her. And I've actually never had a model, whatever you want to call it. I've never actually had one of their frontal units. So this will be interesting to see how this one all plays out. So she comes wrapped up. I don't know if I said this, but I got her in color number 2. If I did, I'm repeating myself, sorry. She comes with her the typical stuffing. Let me take off the stock card. All right, in case anyone is interested, here is a stock card. She doesn't come in a lot of colors. She comes in other colors, but not a lot. So they cover all your naturals. And then there's a OT30 and an OT530 and an OT99J. And I was really tempted to get the 99J, but I just had to get a 2 because I don't have a 2 yet. So I just had to go with the 2. And the model is wearing the OT530. So that's kind of more on the burgundy side. And let's take a look at her. So she does come with 2 combs and the comb in the back with adjustable straps. To me, these 2 combs are useless. I'll try to insert them onto the scalp, but that's just me. She has a little bit of stretch to her, but I'm still going to go ahead and undo the adjustable straps so we can see if she is big head friendly. Okay, so she does come with soft lace. It's hand tied. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I got the lace cut off, so let's go ahead and put her on. I cut into the lace a little bit, so I don't know how this is going to look. So let's see here. And I don't know if I mentioned, but she does come with baby hairs, so you don't have to cut any. She feels real good as far as the fit of her, so she might be big head friendly. Okay, so she fits really good on the head. I think she's big head friendly-ish, because, she's been big friendly, because if I secured her down, I think it'll be good. I could wear her all the way. So yes, she's a go for big head friendliness. And I'm not feeling these curls like this fresh out the pack. Of course, you can keep it like this. Keep her like this if you like, but you can try finger comb her. I still don't like the curls like this, so I'm gonna go ahead and okay. So I combed her out, but I still don't like the curls, so I'm just gonna go in with my brush. See if that changes. Ooh, guys, I like her. Oh, she's gorgeous. She has a light yaki texture to her. She's really soft.
She looks the same.
She looks the same as my other one.
Oh, it feels soft, just like that one.
Yeah, it does feel soft. All right. So, let's see. I think the parting space is great on her. So this is the middle part. You can see of course, my wig cap. So, you would definitely have to either add powder underneath her, or if you're gonna definitely for sure wear her as a middle part, put powder right there or whatever you normally use. But this is her parting space. I mean, they did an excellent, I think an awesome job on the parting. I mean, you're going to have so much fun with her. I feel like these frontal units are just getting better. As far as how they, construct them and everything like that with these synthetic wigs. So that's her with the flip over method. Oh, you can definitely have some fun with her. Frontal units are really great also for, I don't know how to braid hair, so for all you hair braiders out there, I know y'all can make these 4x4s look even better with the braiding, but I don't know how to braid, so I'm limited on what I can do, but, ooh, I like her better on the left, or flipped over to the right, something like that. Oh man, she is gorgeous. Okay guys, so I did bring down some baby hairs through the front right here. I think the hairline is just amazing. You don't need to pluck it at all. Just be careful when you're cutting it. I didn't do the best cutting, so just take your time. Make sure you have time to do a real good cut so you can do this unit some justice. I put down my baby hairs and laid them down before I put my powder and foundation underneath the cap. So I tried my best to kind of do it, put the powder, part it and make it look real good, but just make sure before you put the wig on, lay everything down, put your foundation and powder and stuff on underneath, so you don't have to try to fix it the way I did. But I think it came out all right, me trying to go underneath it and all the other stuff. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and spray some wig conditioner on. Before I do that though, I'm going to spray the ends with some water. And I won't like this because she didn't get like really tangled, but she got like a little snags, just a little bit. So, and I want to upkeep her. If you guys know of a good wig conditioner, let me know. Let me know what you use. What's your ride or die that's worked on like all your units. Because I do want to try another one. And I forget to order a new one. Like every time I order a new unit, I'm like, oh, let me look at their wig sprays. And I completely forget. So maybe next time, or I went to a beauty supply store and didn't get any there. So if you guys know of one that you like, let me know. Let's talk about it. Let's discuss it. Okay, so let's play around. I didn't secure the baby hairs. Like I didn't, get the scarf and everything. So hopefully I can still do stuff with it and it not look crazy. So let's play around with some styles. See, she's moving. So yeah, definitely need to really secure her down with the glue. Okay guys, so if there's something I did not cover in this video, please let me know. Ask me a question down below and I'll get back to you. I will record an update after I warn her for a little bit, at least for the first 2 weeks. After I wear her, I'll come back on and let you know how well she's been doing. All right, well, we're going to get going because it's time for bed, and she's been doing her hair this whole time. I've been doing my hair. She said she's recording a video. I don't know who's watching this video. But anyway, all right, guys, don't forget to, if you like Miss Fable here, I forgot her name, but I'll call her a different name. If you like Miss Fable here, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification button so you know when a new tutorial is headed your way. Love you. You're awesome. Remember to tell yourself that. And all right, guys, we will see you later. Bye.
Bye. See you later.